All right, video 543, file 896, part 43, Fiopunk, part 2. We're going to get into the code here. Okay, so first of all, in the monkey wrench macros section, we got a whole bunch of monkey wrench macros, right? So for stuff over here, you can pause to read that. And we got some more stuff over here. You can pause to read that. It's not too important. They're monkey wrench macros. In the const macros by system within the conomic constant section, we have added constants to identify the new functions we want to wire up to. So Fiopunk win save and win load are going to be procedure enumerations 25 and 26. They're going to open up a save or load file dialog box. In data by system, within the conomic data section, in the lookup table of A through Z keys, we're going to associate those procedures with the M and N key respectively. Win save and win load are going to be mapped to, so if we press the M key, so up, down, left, right, M, that is going to give us this procedure handle, right? Up, down, left, right, N, that's going to give us this handle to this procedure of code, okay? Okay, in Fiopunk, we have stubbed in the functions. So we got some monkey wrench macros here, and we have the saving code right here, and it's just yelling at you right now. It's just stubbed in. And then we have the loading code right here, and it's just stubbed in right now. There's nothing really there yet. And right here, conomic EVT key. This is the keyboard handler right here. That is going to be fed keyboard events by keyboard master. And once we've done the Konami code and pressed a letter key, we're going to enter here. And if the enumeration procedure is win save or win load, we're going to look before we leap. We're going to enter this block of code. We're going to need a shorthand reference to win save and win load because this is a mouthful. And then if it's win save, we're going to do this code right here. And if it's win load, we're going to do this code right here. So this is win save RGBA896, which is going to save a file like this onto disk. And then this is not quite the inverse because we're going to load a PNG file of any size, OAS of any size. And otherwise, fuck you, because we fucked the fuck up. Okay, here's what we did previously. Here's all our footnotes, and here's what we did in this video. If you want a longer explanation, you'll have to go to a different video because you are on the fast playlist. So a longer video is here, and technical demos are here. Source code is here, email here. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail. I'm Kanji Koda. I'm working on Atomic Ivy MMO. It's a fully destructible fractal geometry side-scroller Bomberman game. Like and subscribe.